Madonna has me come to share a story with you now. And I was watching this video last night. You know, my daughter have a friend, and the friend is like this kind of person where you pity them have some friends and it will make you cringe. And you would have said to yourself, say, but wait there, when me did a for them age, me no want them the people that around me, you know. So everybody have good side to them, you know, don't get me wrong. But the fact of the matter is the girl love fight. She love war, me I tell you. Everything she want fight you. She's not a Jamaican though. She is a Mexican, black Mexican. And I was watching this on this blogger page where the two best friends got to party. One of them pregnant, the dark one pregnant. And the mixed one, she mixed with black and Hispanic, but she more look, you know, more like Spanish, brown, light skin. And the girl, the one where are the Hispanic, she died. Our friend unalive her, and how this happened is that the two of them go club and she a get attention and the one that pregnant now get attention. Man a give her all the attention and them take the Uber and a go home and jealousy kick in and cause the girl they must start a fight. Jealousy, it start off of that jealousy because she was getting so much attention from man. And she pregnant and then getting her sister. So when she her baby father they will get her pregnant. Anyways, and that caused the war in the Uber. And the girl have a GUN and pull it out and give her one and unalive her. Left her three pitney. Friend them, you know. Dep on the news. A friend them. Best friend them. How you have friend we you and them par and your friend can have fiction and you just pull on and do that to somebody. I down in Miami, it happened. Leave the girl three pitney and then now they all on panar lock her up. She want to sue them. The state if lock her up or unborn pitney and say they should have put her on house arrest. Anything can go so? She a defend herself. But Jesus, please, me say wait there. Me have one friend and it seemed like how me I listen to the story. Same way the girl when my daughter that a friend. But no, they not talk and me kinda happy. Me don't know if them gone back them attack again, but when me tell her say the girl love her and I don't trust her. You know, sometimes as a mother your instinct tell you things because the girl love to fight. She love. She loved. Anytime you and her have anything, she get up in a rage. So sometimes you know you're putting them with talk to her, have some friends, it make you kind of like be careful. I mean, tell her be careful because she have a temper. People like them you can't trust them. She have a temper. So me I listen to the story, me I say you can imagine the poor girl gone and leave her three little pitney them and now police will up on you and you are gonna say how you are gonna sue whatever because them put you in a behind bars with your pregnancy and your child is innocent. Your child never innocent when they pull out the gun and take somebody else, analyze somebody else. I was so shocked. I did I listen to the news. To show you how cold mankind is. Cause she know all that the one who do the and the Pope. She not that cute, you know. But the other one, she's beautiful. So I guess maybe because she feel like she dark skin or whatever. If she put herself together, she will look nice too. But the picture when me see at the mugshot. So you know when they take your mugshot, they make you look it's like you look the worst. When people do mugshot to you, like they catch you at a bad time all the time. You just look raga raga and you look the worst. So that is what me see. I mean, I say, I wonder if I jealousy because our looks. And then when we start to listen to the news, our best friend do whatever to her. I say, oh my God, you calling, man? You want to tell me say you couldn't use your foot and kick her? Says she was feel. She had protect herself. She no could have scared the girl with the gun. She could have scared her, you know. Maybe you're alright then to take it out and say, if you touch me again, me I go whatever. So the Uber guy released the video with them and argue from the argument in the car. Jesus, so cool. People so cool nowadays, me I tell you. I'm afraid to have friends. You see me? Me want just sit down right there so in a little quarters more time and daytime. Just chill and come reason. If me I go live, me go live. If me decide for just, talk about something and share it, and then me I wanna talk in the comment section. Me love that. Me love the interaction we do now. Me read no comment them. I me love the interaction we do in my comment them. Me answer 99% of my comment. Maybe the 1% when me not answer is the one them way in mean. Because sometimes before me sleep, sometimes during the day too, sometimes me just lay down and I relax. Maybe me I watch a show or a movie, you know. Maybe me in the kitchen I cook and I just decided to go through my phone and respond to no comment. And I just want to big on up and tell you thank you so much for no loyal support consistently. God bless you. My page I grow little by little and I just appreciate everyone I know me appreciate Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm say big up on yourself, more blessing and prosperity and we have to look out for one another. You know? We have to think. God, I don't know. Sometimes it make me not want to be on this earth no more. And me said it out loud, but God, I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes me have to say, God, where you there? Because the heart of mankind is so cold, you know? Anyway, Madonnas, more blessings and prosperity. I'm just comfy, voice my opinion on this and tell you how me really feel about it. Because I can't imagine me have a friend. I have one solid friend. Me have one solid friend in America and a Gracie. Maybe if you don't go down on the bottom of the page, you want to see a video with me and she. Maybe more than one. But if you don't check my chef down a page, yeah, she over there a lot. I made a playlist with me and her over on the page there. And playlist over there with me and she. We'd have to make a playlist with just me and she because so many people love her on my Facebook page. Anyways, I'm not there for drown out and chat and out. So I'm gonna take care later. Big up on yourself, more blessings and prosperity to all I know. Bye bye.